So last time we stopped with the brush knee and hit. So we did our 3 brush knees and then we ended with a hit. Now what we're going to do here is we're actually going to pull down, come up, and then we're going to kick. And kick the knee, come around, hit, straight forward, looking forward. Then we're going to take our hand underneath the elbow, pull back, and push forward. This is similar to the other move that we did previously. And then we're going to come on the inside, left arm on the inside. So let's go over that several times. So we're going to finish before we did part 2. We were turning, coming in, cross, sweep the knee, and push. Went back into play the fiddle. And then we went brush knee, left, hitting with the right. Brush knee, right, hitting with the left. Brush knee, left, hitting with the right. Now right away we're going to pull down. We take our left foot, we bring it out to the side. Pull down, we come up, hit the knee, with the foot, kick it, and hit. We take our left hand underneath the right elbow, pull back, rolling forward, about chest height. Left arm on the inside, and drop down. Good. One more time. So we'll go right from here. We're hitting. We're going to pull down, come up, kick the knee forward. Underneath the arm, and push. Now we're going to take the left arm inside, drop your center of gravity down. Now we're going to sweep the left knee and hit it out at an angle. Then we're going to turn, sweep the right knee, and hit. Let's do that one more time. So here we are, hitting. We're going to pull down, come up, kick, and punch. Left arm underneath the right elbow. Push around chest height. Left arm on the inside. Drop center of gravity. Drop your hands down. Cross over with the left. Step forward on the heel. Hit with the right. Turn back. Over, sweep the right knee, hit with the left. This one is like we're grabbing something. I'm going to circle around, right around, and then we're going to take our right hand, make a fist, go underneath the left arm. Good. So, again, hitting out, pull down, come up, and hit. Come underneath, good. Push forward around chest height, left arm inside, cross, and hit out, good. Turn back, and hit. And it's like you grab an arm, and pull it around, start to make a fist with the right hand, and underneath. Now, on this one, we're going to step back, the left foot, and push off. This is called Repulse Monkey. Step back. This is Repulse Monkey 2. And this is Repulse Monkey 3. Okay, a lot of information. Let's just do it again. So, part 2, we were here. We open and we turn, cross, and hit. Pull back to play the fiddle, drop down, and then we hit. We sweep the right knee, hit with the left. We sweep the left knee, hit with the right. Pull down to the side, leg goes out, come up, kick the knee, come forward, block, and hit. Left elbow, left arm under the right elbow, push forward, come down center, left hand is on the inside. Drop your center of gravity, hitting forward. We turn back, hit again. Right, grab the arm, pull it around, and then we go underneath. Step back, left leg. Forward right, Repulse monkey 1. Step back right, hit left, Repulse monkey 2. Back, Repulse monkey 3. Take your arms down. More than enough for today. That's part 3.